Okay, so let's talk terraforming. Terraforming is the process of taking something and making it have more of an artificial vibe to it instead of using the natural landscape generated by your Minecraft world. This can be seen on the underside of floating islands, like the one behind me, with the terraforming being like a reverse mountain, showing sort of terraforming. The terraforming is usually done in the sense of creating hills or valleys or landscapes like this behind me. Now, the easiest way to do it, put simply, one second, let me just fix my camera, is to first create a frame. So what I did was I first built up this center well, which is this lake, before I then built a bit of an outer ring around it. After that, I took the origin block, which is the block that I started with to build up the entire thing, and made a pillar from there before heading out to the corners, and as you probably see here, making a pillar. I did 2 of these, I still have 2 more to do. Then after that, I went up to the side, and I then built, here, it's best if I just show you. Excuse me for 1 second while I build this pillar. So, yeah, that's how you build a pillar. You just find a spot and build down. Now that we have this corner marked, just gotta do one other thing. So what I just did there was I created a leg. Now what a leg does is it gives you a rough generalized shape of what you want your terraforming to look like. For example, if you excuse me for 1 second here, if I fly over to here, I use the leg, which is this bit, to then build out the wall area that is the largest bulk of the terraforming. After this, all you want to do is you want to connect the legs together, so that way you get a rough bottom for your terraforming. Now occasionally you will encounter a problem where the bottom just doesn't work and you have to get rid of it. That's perfectly okay, I've already done that for this build. And for that, as you can probably see with the bit of the bottom right behind me there's no bottom there, but there's dirt blocks. That's due to a bottom that failed. So yeah. Anyway, that's terraforming, and I am going to see you in a future video where I finish this terraforming. I'm going to talk about building more of the lake, the tower, and the subsequent floating islands that will be in this build. This will be a multi-video build. See you there! So, one last little tidbit for the end. You can also create indents in your terraforming like this. And what these do is they create a bit more texture, and they give you spots where you can then go in and say take some slabs. I'm going to use black stone for this, and then you can make it look a bit weirder, a bit funkier if you will, so that way it looks better. Anyway, keep in mind this is all survival friendly vanilla building, and I will see you later.